Ever wondered why storytelling is so impactful behind unforgettable tech product videos? Let's uncover the why that makes these narratives so compelling. Imagine a revolutionary smartphone home device like the Ring Doorbell. Now, think beyond the features. Think about the emotions it can evoke. Stories are not just about products, they're about creating connections. Let's consider the Johnson family and their journey from always having to wonder who's at the doorbell 24/7. How does a product like the Ring Doorbell help their home become a more friendly, comfortable environment? A video example of the Ring Doorbell is more than a tech showcase. It's an invitation to the Johnsons to emphasize and relate and to see a transformative power of something like a doorbell camera.
Hi Shelly, you home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
When you tell a story, you're not selling a gadget. You're sharing a meaningful experience. Let's dive into the why your tech matters, why it makes a difference in people's lives. Stories engage emotions, making your brand memorable and making it resonate.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
Because it's not just about what you sell, it's about why it matters. Craft narratives that inspire, that connect, and that can leave a lasting impression. And there you have it. A minute to understand why storytelling isn't just a choice. It's the heartbeat of a meaningful tech communication. Happy storytelling. I got 2 more videos here for you that we recommend. Go to the next video and we'll see you there.